Any drawing you create is amazing, as long as you do your best. Which is why I do my best for you to learn from. As you watch this video, you will see how my pictures look when drawn, and how they appear a higher quality when finished. I always enjoyed drawing cartoons as a young boy. Saturday mornings, I would sit in front of the TV waiting for Gene London to show us kids how to draw, and of course, Sunday evenings was the wonderful world of Disney to catch Disney's animated shows. I found myself drawing every time I could. I was obsessed with doing it. I would do it for fun and for school projects. It reached a point where teachers would ask me to do creations for their classrooms on subject matters we were studying, just to decorate the room. My dream as a boy, at that time, was to be a cartoonist and work for Walt Disney at his animation studios when I grew up. I recall being devastated the day, when I was 14, Walt Disney passed away. It was as if I lost a personal connection between my art and purpose. I never became an artist at Disney Studios, but continued to draw for fun and a hobby as I grew older. I was considered pretty good at drawing from many people. My characters looked spot on in appearance, and my drawing skills demonstrated straight, smooth lines when needed and circular curves without a glitch. Maybe I missed the calling of my dream as a young boy, but life takes you down different paths. Many decades passed since being a young boy and taking my hobby of drawing onto YouTube. I thought it would be nice if I could teach children and beginner artists of any age how to draw cartoon characters. To my surprise, age does catch up with your skills. I noticed my hands were more shaky, causing straight lines to have small wiggles in them, and curved or circular shapes to be less smooth. In addition, I noticed my thought process is much slower now. As you can see from my drawing on the left side of the screen, the hesitation of my hand between drawing lines and shapes is somewhat indecisive and long. This freehand drawing is even sped up by 1.5 times. I started thinking, if I am to teach others to draw the best they can, then I need to have them start by looking at a high-quality drawing to learn the correct way. In trying to figure out how to do this, I stopped posting my videos on YouTube under a different channel for about 5 months as I worked on how to resolve this issue. After many, and I mean many, hours of researching the wonderful abilities of new technology, I was able to put together somewhat of a process to compensate for my shortfalls utilizing multiple programs. The final result was that it takes 8 manipulations using several programs to get my drawing to look like it does on the right side of the video compared to how it originally looks on the left side. After I inserted a copy of my hand, I was extremely pleased with the results being much closer to my youthful art. Straight, curved, and circular lines appear as they should without distortions from the movement of my natural hand. Even the video is crisper and cleaner as compared to recording from my camera. I now could present to you teaching drawings at a quality I expect from myself. As you look at the side-by-side drawings, you can see that each stroke of the marker in the original drawing is captured in the animated clarified version. What you see is a true mirror image of my original drawing. However, it is cleaned up and performed more smoothly, so as to be able to appreciate how the lines are visually created while learning. Although I was pleased with the final results, I started thinking, will my YouTube friends reject it thinking it is not a true drawing? Then I thought, this is how modern cartooning is created even in industry. We have seen the coming of Disney's Pixar, and how the Mickey Mouse Club cartoons changed over the years through the assistance of computers. The only thing I could do is offer the highest quality drawing for others to learn from, by the best means I could. The final drawing takes me a long time to create. Each 3 to 8 minute video takes approximately 5 to 15 hours from drawing to finished YouTube video. It's a good thing I do this as a hobby and am not trying to make a living from my channel. I would not expect those learning to be perfect, but as I mentioned in the beginning, if you do your very best it will be great. In addition, how can you be expected to do your best if I do not offer you the best I can for you to start with? Remember, to be good at anything you must practice. My channel is here to offer assistance in showing you to draw various cartoon characters. Some drawings are designed for those under the age of 13, so I must follow the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act guidelines as required by YouTube. For those drawings, you will not be able to leave a comment, but comments are always welcome on my cartoon drawings designed for those over the age of 13. I hope you enjoyed this video and now have an understanding of how and why my creations came about. I welcome everyone to subscribe to my channel. It gives me a purposeful boost as I continue this art. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again.